Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create an animated GIF directly from your design frames in just 6 simple steps. First, open your design canvas and choose the frames you'd like to turn into an animation. Just click to select each one you want to include. You'll find an Actions button at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click that to open up the Actions menu. In the search bar that appears, type Animated GIF Maker and select it when it pops up in the results. Here's where you can customize your animation. Adjust things like frame rate, loop settings, and other options to get exactly the look you want. When you're happy with your settings, just click Generate GIF to create your animation. Perfect! Your GIF has been created from those frames. To save it to your computer, simply click the Download GIF button. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to turn your design frames into animated GIFs. Feel free to run through this walkthrough again anytime.